Welcome to a new era where anyone can create cinematic movies using AI, all on your local machine. No more expensive tools, no API limits, and no need to rely on cloud services. With the right workflow, you can generate stunning, consistent, and controlled movie sequences frame by frame. In this video, we'll explore how AI filmmaking has become accessible to everyone and what it means for creators who want to bring their visions to life without breaking the bank. Let's dive into the possibilities and see how far you can take your ideas with local AI tools. Many creators hit a wall when trying to make full cinematic sequences with AI. Characters often change unexpectedly, scenes don't connect, and motion can feel random or disjointed. If you use online tools, you'll quickly run into API limits, credits, and rising costs, making it hard to scale your project. But what if you could generate entire cinematic sequences complete with consistent characters, camera control, and smooth motion right on your own computer? That's the promise of advanced local AI filmmaking, and it's what we'll be exploring step by step. In this guide, we're going beyond random image and video generation. You'll learn how to create cinematic content with precise control frame by frame, shot by shot, and sequence by sequence. By the end, you'll be able to produce a complete AI cinematic video output. We'll use ComfyUI, a powerful and flexible tool that lets you build AI-driven shots, sequences, and even full cinematic movies. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, you'll see how to bring your stories to life with local AI workflows. To build controlled cinematic outputs, you need the right AI models for each step. We'll use image models like Flux and Qwen image edit for outpainting and inpainting, and video models like Qwen 2.2 and LTX 2.3 for bringing sequences to life. Each model is chosen for its unique strengths. Some excel at expanding images, others at editing, and some at generating realistic or cinematic video motion. By combining these models in a thoughtful workflow, you can achieve results that rival professional VFX teams. Outpainting is the process of expanding an image beyond its original borders, seamlessly adding new content that matches the style, lighting, and context of the scene. Using the Flux model in ComfyUI, you can extend your images in any direction, introducing new elements and creating a more complete composition. Outpainting doesn't just stretch the image, it expands the world inside it, giving your scenes more depth and narrative potential. This is a foundational technique for building cinematic environments. To outpaint an image, simply load it into ComfyUI, connect it to the Pad Image for Outpainting node, and adjust the padding values to extend the canvas. By providing positive and negative prompts, the model generates new content in the extended area, blending it naturally with the original. Outpainting is more than just expanding borders. It's about building upon the existing scene, introducing new elements, and enhancing the overall composition. This technique is key for creating immersive cinematic worlds. When you use outpainting, the scene gains more depth, and new elements are introduced naturally. The overall composition feels more complete, and the environment inside the image expands. This technique is especially useful for establishing shots and world building, where you want to create a sense of scale and immersion. Outpainting is a powerful tool for any AI filmmaker looking to go beyond the limitations of a single frame. While outpainting expands an image, inpainting gives you precise control over specific parts. With inpainting, you can edit both generated and real images by selecting and masking regions to replace or fill with new AI-generated content. The goal is not just replacement, but consistency. The new content should match the lighting, style, and context of the existing scene. Inpainting lets you describe what you want to see, and the model generates it directly into that space, making it an incredibly powerful creative tool. Inpainting becomes especially interesting when you want to go beyond what's already in the image. By masking and describing the desired change, you can add, remove, or modify elements with precision. This is perfect for refining keyframes, correcting details, or introducing new story elements. The result is a seamless blend between the original and the new, maintaining visual coherence and narrative flow throughout your cinematic sequence. Once you have a strong image, the next step is to change how the scene is viewed. Multi-angle generation lets you create multiple shots of the same scene from different camera perspectives while keeping the character, environment, and style consistent. Using Qwen Image Edit LoRa, you can rotate the viewpoint, shift camera positions, and generate different shot types, all from a single base image. This is real-time storyboarding with AI, giving you unprecedented creative flexibility. With prompt-based control, you simply describe the shot you want, like front view, side tracking shot, or medium shot. The model interprets your prompt and generates the corresponding angle. This approach allows you to explore up to 96 combinations of poses and angles, maintaining consistency across all shots. It's a game changer for filmmakers and storyboard artists, enabling rapid iteration and creative experimentation. For even more precise control, you can use a 3D interactive camera tool. This lets you visually adjust the camera position and set angles directly in 3D space. The workflow then generates the exact shot you've dialed in. This method feels natural for creators with a filmmaking or design background, bridging the gap between traditional storyboarding and AI-powered generation. It's perfect for achieving cinematic shots with professional polish. Controlling a single image and camera angle is just the start. The real challenge is maintaining consistency across multiple scenes, keeping the character and environment stable as the story progresses. Using a specialized next scene LoRa, built on Qwen Image Edit, you can generate the next moment in a scene based on the previous image. This workflow creates a progressive sequence of frames, ensuring visual consistency and narrative flow throughout your cinematic project. With the next scene workflow, you start with an initial image and describe what happens next. Each prompt represents a continuation of the story, not a new idea. For example, you might prompt, "The camera follows behind the masked runner as he accelerates." Then, the camera shifts to a side tracking shot as the runner sprints, and so on. This approach preserves the same character and environment, creating a sense of motion and continuity that's essential for cinematic storytelling. The next scene workflow solves one of the biggest limitations in AI generation: disconnected outputs. By maintaining the same character and environment across all frames, your cinematic sequence feels intentional and connected. This is how you build story arcs, maintain visual consistency, and create structured sequences ready for video generation. The result is a seamless progression that feels like a true film, not just a collection of random images. Now it's time to bring your static scenes to life. LTX 2.3 is a powerful open-source video model that runs locally and for free, offering realistic text-to-video generation with built-in audio capabilities. With LTX 2.3, you can turn your sequences into natural, camera-like video motion. While it may produce slightly softer results than specialized VFX models, it excels at realism and is perfect for creators seeking high-quality cinematic output without cloud dependencies. For those looking for cinematic spectacle, Qwen 2.2 is the model of choice. It specializes in expressive motion, stylized visuals, and high-intensity VFX scenes. Qwen 2.2 is perfect for action sequences, creature animations, and film-style storytelling where impact and drama are key. By generating motion between frames, Qwen 2.2 brings your storyboards to life with smooth, controlled transitions and a sense of cinematic scale. Let's see these techniques in action with a cinematic sequence inspired by Godzilla vs. Kong. We start by generating keyframes: Godzilla rising from the ocean, Kong entering the city, and their first confrontation. Each frame is carefully designed to define the tone and scale of the sequence. At this stage, there's no motion yet, just a visual storyboard that sets the stage for the action to come. Once the keyframes are ready, we use the next scene workflow to extend them into a full sequence. Each image evolves into the next, creating a natural progression. The characters move, the environment shifts, and the tension builds across frames. This approach transforms static images into a connected narrative, laying the groundwork for a compelling cinematic experience. To add cinematic flair, we introduce camera direction using multi-angle generation. Prompts like close-up, wide angle, or aerial view let you direct the scene just like a real filmmaker. We then refine keyframes with inpainting and outpainting, enhancing realism and composition. These subtle adjustments make the sequence feel polished and intentional, elevating the overall quality of your AI-generated film. The final step is adding motion. Using Qwen 2.2, we generate movement between frames, creating smooth transitions and natural unfolding of the scene. The result is a living, breathing cinematic sequence where characters remain consistent, motion flows, and the entire story carries a sense of scale and continuity. What once required a full VFX team can now be prototyped with local AI workflows, empowering creators to realize their visions like never before. What started as individual images is now a complete cinematic experience. The characters are consistent, the motion is intentional, and the entire sequence feels designed rather than randomly generated. This marks the shift from isolated outputs to a true visual narrative, where every frame contributes to the story. With these tools and techniques, you can now create films that reflect your imagination, all from your own computer. Now that you've seen what's possible, it's time to start creating. Begin with a single image and turn it into a 5-10 frame progression. Experiment with camera angles, shot types, and scene transitions. Build a short sequence before moving on to a full video. The hard part isn't generating images or videos anymore, it's bringing your ideas to life exactly as you imagine them. With these workflows, you have the power to shape scenes, control motion, and build cinematic stories without technical or budget constraints.